All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean with Math Swap Tutoring with another SAT type problem. This problem, I adapted it from a real SAT problem. So it's not the exact same, but it's very similar. All right, so the function above models the height, h, in feet of a ball above the ground t seconds after being thrown straight up in the air. What does the number 5 represent in the function? So we see the number 5. Let me see something. So we see the number 5 right here. What does that represent? Now, if you don't already know, then you can find it out this way. So check it out. If this is representing the height, think about it. It's a ball that's being thrown up into the air. Okay. And so this is like a parabola, essentially upside down parabola that models this. Now, think about it for a second. If this represents the height at time t, the thing I automatically want to know that'll make it very easy is what is the height at time 0 when you first launch it? So at time 0, what is h of 0? H of 0 is going to be -2 times 0 squared plus 18 times 0 plus 5. Watch what happens. All of these just go away. So h of 0 is equal to 5. What is h? H is the height t seconds after being thrown up in the air. So before this thing is even thrown in the air, time 0, 5 is the initial height. So 5 is the initial height. Okay? Let me know if you got that. Let me know if you got that. Let me know what you think about that one, okay? It looked a little complicated when you see that whole quadratic, but it's not that complicated at all. Hopefully you're able to see that. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.